Top 10 countries with the best healthcare system in the world. This ranking is based on how people around the globe perceive the quality of the healthcare system in their countries of residence. The quality and efficiency of a country's healthcare system can have a massive impact on its inhabitants' quality of life. The health of a nation depends largely on how the system can cater for their people, which is why a good public healthcare system is so important. Why do some healthcare systems stand out from the rest? Take a look at this list to find out. Here are the top 10 countries which topped the list. In the 10th position, we have the New Zealand. The healthcare system in New Zealand is state-sponsored and very good quality. It is funded through taxes, and provides free or subsidized medical treatment for residents. Hence this island nation in the southern hemisphere comes in the top 10. Austria comes in the 9th position. Austria has a really good healthcare. Paying into the government health insurance scheme is compulsory for residents of the country, with excellent medical facilities and services funded by the taxpayer and well spent by the government for the same. 8. France. France has both state-run and private hospitals and both maintain a similar degree of excellence. While having private health insurance isn't essential, it is prudent to have cover when you're living in France. Putting France in the 8th position. 7. Australia. Australia's healthcare system has two main parts, the public health system and the private health system. Since 1984, Medicare has been the government's universal health insurance scheme. This provides Australian residents with free treatment in public hospitals. In the 6th rank, we have the European nation of Netherlands. Healthcare in the Netherlands is covered by two statutory forms of insurance, Zorgverzekeringswet, ZVW, often called basic insurance, covers common medical care, and Algemene Wet Bijzondere Ziektekosten, AWBZ, covers long-term nursing and care. These both insurances covers the health expenditure of the residents of the country very well. 5. Germany. Germany is one of the most technologically sophisticated country in the world and also has one of the best healthcare system in the world. Healthcare is expensive in Germany and hence, health insurance is mandatory, and most expatriates will have it added to their employee contract. United Kingdom comes in the 4th position. Healthcare in the UK has proved to be reliable and convenient for citizens and expatriate workers. The National Health Service, Scottish and Northern Ireland state programs provide many options for emergency medical treatment. Thus the United Kingdom's being one of the countries with the best healthcare system in the world. 3. Canada. Canada's publicly funded healthcare system is a group of socialized health insurance plans providing coverage to all Canadian citizens and permanent residents. Canada holds a remarkably high life expectancy rate, which many attribute to the efficiency of its healthcare system. 2. Sweden. The Swedish healthcare system is characterized by high standards of quality care and above-average healthcare spending. Only about 600,000 Swedes have a private health plan, which is usually covered by their employers and can be helpful to skip queues for treatment. Which puts the Scandinavian country best next only to one nation in the world. And the country with the best healthcare is Denmark. The Danish universal healthcare system provides the residents with mostly free medical care and is predominantly financed through income tax. All permanent residents are entitled to a national health insurance card, and most examinations and treatments are free of charge. This puts the country in the top of the world in terms of best healthcare systems, as the residents of Denmark are the ones who are mostly satisfied with the healthcare system in their country. So, here is the list of top 10 countries in terms of best healthcare, based on the opinion of citizens living in the respective countries. What are your thoughts? Also, how do you rate the healthcare system in your country out of 10?